and welcome to Málaga. The local time here just approaching 11:15 and the outside temperature a very pleasant 15 degrees. For your continued comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until we've reached the gate and the captain has switched off the overhead fasten seatbelt sign. Before you leave us here, please ensure you have all personal belongings with you, checking beneath your seats, in the seat pockets and in the overhead lockers, and do take care as the contents may have moved during the flight and they could fall out. We now leave you here in the care of our ground staff. They are Iberian and they'll be happy to assist you should you need anything further. And just regarding mobile phones, if we could ask that they are still kept in flight mode, as restrictions still apply until you are inside of the terminal building. Smoking restrictions will also apply until you are well outside within a designated smoking area. For your information, any lost property now found on board the aircraft cannot be returned to the UK for security reasons, and this will therefore be handed off to our handling agents down here in Málaga. Once again, they are called Iberia. We'd like to thank you all for choosing to fly with Monarch today, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board again soon. On behalf of today's captain, the rest of the crew and Cosmos Holidays, our sister company, we'd like to wish you all an enjoyable stay here in Spain and a happy bank holiday Easter weekend. Thank you and good morning.